Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. This video is a little different. Yeah, you didn't get the intro. I know. It's because it's all about the SAS. It's your tips, tricks, just prepping you for SAS because SAS does start June the 2nd at 6 p.m. online. Can we first talk about like the design they went with? I am loving this old school Mario theme. I think it is everything. So I had to use that for the thumbnail. It is just super cute. So let's first talk about coupons that are going around. Tawana7 shared this coupon that's going around, $10 off a $40 purchase. So if you don't have that 20% off coupon booklet, maybe this will come in the mail for you and you'll be able to get $10 off a $40 purchase. It ain't the best coupon, but something beats not having no coupon at all, because some people just get nothing. Like they get left in the cold. So having $10 off, that's better than nothing. Now, I want to get into my thoughts of some of the collections that are returning that were sneak peeked on the app this morning, and then we'll get into the tips and tricks of the thing. So again, it's going to start on June the 2nd at 6 p.m. if you're an app member. If not, it's going to start on the 3rd. I think the blends collection, and I have a whole video on the blends collection. If you didn't see it, go check it out. Like Grace is in it. It's a haul at the end for a men's sale. But this is a pointless collection, in my opinion. Nothing was standing out like, oh my God, this was amazing. Thanks for bringing it out. No. The one that they did in the wintertime with the blends, that was really good because they were giving us back scents that went away in some of the blends. This one, pointless. Okay. Now let's talk about Cucumber Melon. It's coming back for its 25th years, like 25 years it's celebrating. I always say I'm gonna pick it up at SAS. Then I smell it. And then I'm like, okay, I'm over it. Like, because I used it so much in high school and in middle school that I'm over it. I am completely over it. I'm not thinking about it. It just needs to leave me alone. Like, I feel that way about it. I don't know why. But this year, I'm going to say it again. I think I'm gonna pick it up. I don't know. We'll see how I feel when I smell it. Okay. Now hear me out. Juniper Breeze, Plumeria, and the white tea. Juniper Breeze, you need that. Like seriously, I don't use Juniper Breeze like on me. I like it as a home refresher. Like I like spraying it around my house. It smells really good around the house, and I love the new packaging for it. So it's on my list. Juniper Breeze definitely made my list. Plumeria, it just don't be doing it for me, so it's an easy skip. And then that white tea is another one. I say, oh, I'm gonna get it, girl. And then I smell it, and I got a whole basket full of stuff, and it's the first thing that I say, okay, I really don't need, and put it back. You know what I mean? Now let's talk about the icons. Okay, it's an icon. It's a legend. All right. Don't need any of these. None of these. You're the one. Nope. Still got that. Pure Wonder got a lot of that. Island Margarita, I got a lot of that. So all of these are easy skips for me. Maybe if this is something you need in your collection, you would pick it up. But all these are easy. Okay. So let's get into the pro tip. The first tip I have for you, check your stash before the sale. You'll have a few days so you can go through your inventory to see what you have and what you don't need more of. Because a lot of us, we collect 5 or 6 of one item. I know I'm super guilty of this. I actually been trying to scale back this new year, and I've been doing pretty good. If you notice, I don't do as many hauls, things like that. It's because I am scaling back. So definitely check your stash, see what you have plenty of. If you have plenty of it, go ahead and skip on getting the item in a new package. My next tip, stop overindulging in products. Why are we going out buying 8, 9, 10 of the same item? Because we're so scared it's never going to come back. Now, we know Bath and Body Works is the Diddy of body care. I say that all the time. They remix it. They bringing it back. They're going to give you the extendo clip version. They're going to do that. So we don't need 7 or 8. Maybe if you get 2, I understand. But we're never going to get through 8. So don't overindulge. It's not necessary. You end up looking like a hoarder. Some days I have to watch the show Hoarders just to make me feel a little bit better about my collection, because it's just big for no reason. It's so many backups of the backups of the backups, And I had to take this tip to heart this year with the overindulging. The next pro tip: set a budget and stick to it, Tina Marie. Yeah, this goes for myself too. Set a budget. Set aside how much you want to spend for the SAS. Stick to it. A good way to stick to it: give gift cards. You know what I mean? Get gift cards, and once that gift card ran out, it's done. You don't have no more budget. Like maybe your budget 400. Put 400 on a gift card. That's it. Get your gift card through Ibotta, okay, so you can get cash back. I'll leave the link for y'all. But yeah, that's the best way to do it. Set a budget, stick to the budget, do not go over the budget. So I think that's very important, especially as you go through the sale, because it's easy to go in there and just blow a whole bag when you didn't pre make a budget for the entire sale. Normally, the sale goes until products run out, so about 3 to 4 weeks at max sometimes. So, budget so much per week. So, each week you can go to the store. Maybe your budget's $60 a week or something like that. My next pro tip: save your receipts. Okay. What I do during SAS after I haul stuff, I just keep it in the bags, keep the receipt in the bag, because if something goes cheaper, you can do a price adjustment. Okay. And some stores require you to have the product. Some stores don't. I've been to stores where they be like, yeah, we need the product. It's easier for us that way. But some stores will be like, girl, you don't need it. So it just depends on the store. So I just take the products with me. It just makes it easier. And as long as you do that price adjustment within 14 days, they will give you the difference back. Normally, I just get the difference back on one of their merchant cards because I'm going to spend it there anyway. And then, boom, you have more money to play with for the SAS. Normally, prices change about, I want to say, every week at the beginning of a week sometimes. So be checking for price changes all the time. Can you do this online with online orders? I have no idea. Someone let me know in the comments below. The next pro tip: shop online and in stores. You got to shop both places because sometimes things is cheaper online versus in stores. And sometimes in stores is cheaper than online, especially when it comes to candles. Because sometimes in stores, they have them 75% off 3-wick candles. And then online, it's going for 50% off. You know what I mean? And vice versa. So definitely shop both. Look at both. And online, we get the early access online first so you can see what online's doing. But when it comes to pulling the trigger on something, wait until you went to the store and then weigh your options to see which one would be best. Unless it's like an online deal that's like super, super low for 75% off candles. You see them online, snag them up quickly because they go fast. Another pro tip: visit different stores, especially in different cities. Where I live, I have the pleasure to have at least 8 Bath and Body Works I can go to, probably more, depending if I want to drive a little bit more. So Bath and Body Works is easy to go to for me, like a lot of different cities, a lot of malls. You know what I mean? So I'm going to be going to a lot of different stores because different stores have different items, and sometimes different items at a different percent off. And then sometimes they have returns that were in their back room that are those one-off finds. You know what I mean? So different stores, very important, so you can see if there are different price points, maybe different products available. Now, if you don't have that availability to you, I definitely understand. But for people that live in populated areas where Bath and Body Works is heavy, real heavy, okay, definitely take advantage. Go to different stores and just price shop. Me, Mama Marie, and Grace will be on the grind getting that done this weekend. Even though this isn't a traditional Candle News Network video, I first want to thank everyone that took the time to watch the pro tips and tricks. And normally we end the video with Candle News Network with words of encouragement, sometimes something funny. But this is what I have for you guys today. I forgive you, but we don't need to keep in touch. Respectfully, you have to forgive people. It's good for the soul. It helps you to heal when you forgive others. So you can forgive them, but doesn't mean y'all need to be buddy buddy best friends no more. You forgave them, you moved on in your spirit. Your spirit is clear. You can go on to be greater. Because everybody that's in your life don't need to be in your life forever. They run their season. Once their season is over, you know, the leaves gotta fall. Okay. And then new leaves, new relationships, new things come up. So yeah, I forgive you, girl. But we don't need to be friends no more. you know, I moved on from that. And that's okay. You got to know when to outgrow people. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Are you excited about SAS? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.